First read the full question. Then tell me
Indefinite. Identify the correct statements about water carrying and food carrying tubes of plant roots to the other parts of the plant stem, transport from food from the leaves to the other parts to the transport water from the roots to other parts of the transport food. Ma'am, which one is incorrect?
Identify the correct statement about water carrying and food carrying tubes of a plant. You have to identify the correct statement.
Transport water from the roots to other parts to the plant. This is correct. Transport food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant is correct. Transport which transport food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Yes, transport water from the roots to other parts of the plant. Yes, transport food from the roots to other parts of the plant. Ma'am, number 4, option 4 is incorrect. But the rest of them are correct. 1, 2, 3 are correct. 4 is wrong.
Okay, let's see.
Yes.
According to you, 1, 2, 3 and correct. Okay. Now do the next one. Tell me this one.
Okay. Makes food for the seedling. Provides food for the baby plant. Takes in water from the seedling. Seedling. No, what is seedling?
Seedling means a small plant that comes out from the seed is called seedling.
Okay, indeed, identify the correct functions of the plant part made by Y. Well, what to do? Identify the correct and function of the plant marked by Y. Then seed coat. You
No.
can see the
What
seed.
is the function of why you have to tell me? So tell me whatever you think is correct.
Ma'am, again tell me, please.
Tell me whichever is correct. What is the function of why?
Oh, okay. Ma'am, option 1 makes food for the seedling.
Makes food for the seedling. Okay.
This is correct.
I don't know. That will be checked at the end of the paper.
Ma'am,
This
option 1. Option 1. Okay, ma'am.
okay, Tuhin, tell me this one. Tuhin, can you tell me this one, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, oxide.
Oxide. Okay. Tuhin, can you tell me this one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why Tuhin get 3 points?
Tuhin is not getting 3 points. This is the question number. These are the question
Oh.
number. You answered number 1, number 2. Tuhin answered number 3.
Oh. Seeds and fruit.
Seeds and fruits. Okay. Now you tell me, Amoto, the next one. Just a second. Amoto, tell me this one.
Identify the correct statements for the plant shown in the diagram. Pole. Ma'am, a pole means the stick who, who help to stand the tree. Pole means
Identify the correct statement for the plant shown in the diagram. The fruit is edible. The plant has a weak stem. The plant is a flowering plant. So which is the correct statement?
ma'am,
Okay,
first tell
pole.
me what
Yes, the pole
is a
means
pole.
this is a stick that is helping the plant to stand.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, the plant has weak stem. The plant has a weak stem. You can see. The plant has weak stem.
Okay. The next one, Tuhin is going to tell me. Tuhin, tell me this one.
Ma'am, what is this spelling? Can you tell me?
Which spelling? Feeds
Ma'am,
on
it will be ma'am option C, option 3, option 3.
option C. Okay, that is option 3. It is decaying matter. Feeds on decaying matter. DECAYING. Feeds on decaying matter means if someone is already dead and it is not there, then someone will eat on that thing. Decaying matter. Okay, according to you, it is
Ma'am,
option 3. Tuhin Rajak, it's 6. Sorry, 6. And it is option 3. Yes, Amoto, do you want to say anything?
yes, ma'am.
Tell me. See, I am helping you to understand the question. Which option would be the best representation of P and Q in the classification chart? It is asking that P is a living thing, Q is also a living thing. So P grows on land. It will grow on land and P grows in
Ma'am, P for plant. Ma'am, P for plants.
okay. Yes, it can be. So which plant grows on land? It is rose plant. Which plant grows in water? It is water lily. Now Q. Q is what? It feeds on the decaying matter and Q is what? It feeds on the other living things. Now, feeds on
Eagle.
decaying matter means bracket fungi. Feeds on other living things means eagle. This is an example. Now,
Oh, these are decomposers.
yes, the those animals who feed on the decaying matter, they are called decomposers.
Okay. Fungi are decomposers.
Yes. Okay, so the next one, Omoto will tell me. Omoto,
Okay.
tell me this.
Plants. A, B. What is this? Water.
Water
HYACINT.
hyacinth is a example of a plant beta that grows in water. And rose plant is
Okay.
an example of a plant that grows on land.
Now, what is moss?
What is moss? Moss is also a type of plant.
It grow in land or not?
Yes, tell me again.
It grow in land or
It grows on
land
land.
or
It grows on land, beta.
land. Okay.
Yes.
And stag. Yeah. What is this name? Those names are
That is
first time
staghorn
I'm
fern.
seeing. Yes, ma'am. Tell me again.
It is
Stat
staghorn fern.
Staghorn fern.
Yes.
Staghorn fern and water hyacinth is live in. Ma'am, Staghorn fern is live in water. I think.
No. Staghorn fern, they also live on the land, beta.
What? Okay. And moss live on in water. Moss.
Moss. No, moss also lives on land.
Saffron fern, rose plant and moss live on land and water. Hyacinth, hyacinth, hyacinth live in water. Sath
Water hyacinth are those which
is
grows on.
poisonous.
Yes.
Is water hyacinth is poisonous or not?
If I tell you that, then I have to tell you the answer, beta.
No, ma'am.
It's the same thing.
Okay. I'm trying.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is which plant? Rose plant is not rose plant is not poisonous. Non-poisonous rose plant.
Udit, it is class 4, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Class 4. Yes.
Yes, class 4, beta Udit.
Okay, ma'am.
This is class 4 science.
Ma'am, Udit, in which class?
That we will decide afterward. Tell me this one. Which one will be the correct answer?
Rose plant is not poisonous. Water has it is also not non-poisonous. Saffron fern, I think it is poisonous, and moss is non-poisonous. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shivam.
Fungi. Rose plant is plant. What did I can't hear?
Yes, Udit?
Rose plant is plant. What is this? I don't understand.
Wait, I am explaining it. It is actually, I am playing a quiz, beta. Now I am not giving any marks. I am just writing the question number. Once you give the correct answer, at the end of the quiz, we will decide who have won and who have lost it. And regarding this question, I'm explaining it better. Water hyacinth is a type of plant that grows in water. Rose plant is a type of plant that grows on land. And staghorn fern and moss are both of this plant grows on land. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the suitable heading. Suitable heading means, are this plant like, are staghorn fern and moss poisonous, fungi, they live on land, non-flowering, what type of plant? Again, whether they are non-poisonous, plants live in water and flowering plant. Is it clear, Udit?
No, ma'am.
It's not clear. Okay.
Ma'am, you can see rose plant is non-poisonous. Rose plant is a plant. Rose plant is give us flower, but rose plant is not live in water. Live in water means it wants water, but it cannot. You can see live on land and live this one. The rose plant live on land.
So
You can see.
okay, Amartya, you think with the question whether I'm explaining the question to Udit. Udit, see, this water hyacinth plant, this type of plant, this actually goes in water. It is actually a aquatic plant. And rose plant is a plant that grows on land. Is this clear up to this point, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is staghorn fern? Staghorn fern is a type of plant that grows on land. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same thing goes with moss. This is also a type of plant that grows on land. Is it now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you have to decide whether staghorn fern and moss are poisonous or non-poisonous. These are fungi or a plant. These are this staghorn fern and moss, they live on land or they live in water.
Ma'am, staghorn fern and moss live on land, and rose plant also live on land. Rose plant is non-poisonous. Rose plant is plant. Rose plant is flowering, and I think water high. Ma'am,
Wait, Udit, just a second.
I think water has seen is live on water, and I think it is plant.
So which heading will you choose, beta?
Fungi, sorry ma'am, fungi. Water has is a fungi, and I think it is poisonous.
So tell me which option you are going to choose. Will it be option 1 or option 2 or option 3 or option 4?
Ma'am, option 2.
Okay, according to you, it's option 2. Yes, Udit, tell me what you had to say, beta, what you wanted to say.
Yes. Ma'am, what is the meaning of poisonous and fungi?
What is the meaning of poisonous and fungi? Okay, poisonous means that is dangerous to our health. If we consume it, something dangerous can happen to our health. What happens if a snake bites someone? Yes.
I'm like moss and single staghorn.
Okay, you wanted to know whether staghorn fern and moss are poisonous or not. Is this your question, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Staghorn fern, they are not poisonous, beta. Staghorn fern are not poisonous, but they are poisonous to dogs. They are not poisonous to us. That is, staghorn fern are not poisonous to human being, but staghorn fern can be poisonous to dogs. Is it clear, Udit?
Okay, why, ma'am? Why, ma'am?
Because it actually causes a disease in the dogs. So, staghorn fern are very poisonous to dogs.
And ma'am, what is the meaning of fungi?
Tell me, Udit.
Fungus.
Fungi.
What is the meaning of fungi?
Okay. Someone knows. What is the meaning of fungi? Class, anyone knows? Omoto, Tuhin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I know.
tell him, Omoto.
Fungi is type of fungi is decomposers.
Fungi is a type of...
Fungi is yes, ma'am. Fungi is a type of. I think fungi is poisonous, and fungi is.
Yes, can you tell me
Fungi is decomposers and fungi. Um, Ma'am, you can see some of the fungi. Mushrooms are fungi. Mus- the rotten rotten thing give birth to the fungus and means fungi.
Very good.
And
Fungi are a type
mushroom
of
is the
parasite.
fungi.
Yes. Fungus are a type of parasite that depends on other living animals or dead animals for their food.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, Udit, what is fungi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one, let Udit tell me. Udit, tell me this one. Look at the diagram carefully and identify the incorrect statement. So you have to identify the incorrect statement.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of jagged edges?
Jagged edges means this type of edges are called jagged edges.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is that? What is this? STALKS?
These are called stalks. These are called stalks.
Branches. Ma'am, branches who give support to the leaf?
Yes. Tell me branches.
Who gave support to the leaf?
Yes, it is a type of branches that give support to the, or the better definition is it is a part of the leaf that helps it to remain fixed to the stem. Yes, Udit, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, it is last number. No, ma'am. Second, third number, third.
Both leaves have the same shape. This is the incorrect.
Both leaves have the same shape.
Okay. The next one, Shivam will tell me.
Okay.
Shivam, tell me this one.
In an experiment, a student took four similar plants, W, X, Y, Z, and placed them in, in the conditions as shown in the diagram. Which plant will is mostly survive after 3 months? Okay. One is garden, temple, fertilizer. today is math class. Why are
Plant Y.
Can we
The answer is plant Y.
plant Y? Okay. According to Shivam, it is plant Y. Now the next one. Yes. Tuhin, tell me this one.
Ma'am, that one is correct or wrong?
That I will tell you at the end, Prata. Okay.
okay?
Amartya, tell me number 10.
Plants carry out photosynthesis to make food. Which parts of the plant take in materials that are needed for plants to make food? Ma'am, materials mean minerals. Materials leave. Yes, leave sucks the air. Leave sucks the carbon dioxide from the air. Stem.
Okay. That's the end of the exam. So the score is out of 30, we got only 8. Correct answers were 4 and unanswered is 1. Let's see. So the first one was given by Amartya. Amartya, number 2 was incorrect. Rest number 1 and 3 are correct. So let's explain number 1. Let's see its explanation. Identify the correct statement about water carrying and food carrying tubes of a plant. So we all know the water carrying and food carrying tubes are none other than stem. So transport water from roots to other parts of the plant. This is obviously correct. Transport food from roots to the other parts of the plant. This is also correct. Transport food from leaves to the other parts of plants. This is incorrect. Transport water from roots to the other parts of the plant. Transport water from roots to the other parts of the plant. Okay, number 3. So number 2 is not correct. Why? Transport water from the roots to the other parts of the plant. How can a food carrying tube transport water? And how can a water carrying tube transport food? Is it clear, Amartya?
Yes.
Amartya, is it clear? Better in
Yes,
the
Yes,
water
ma'am.
carrying food will not be able to carry food. Again, the food carrying tube will not be able to transport water. Is it clear to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So Amartya has got, for 1, he got 2 marks, not 3. Okay, now the next one. Yes, next one, number 2 was also given by Amartya. Identify the correct. Okay, number 1, have everybody understood the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Udit, have you understood better number 1? Udit,
Ma'am, I haven't understood third and fourth one.
you didn't
Ma'am,
understand
I
third and
have told you option 1, but me But network problem. You heard option 2.
No. You told me 1, 2 and 3. So 1 and 3 are correct, but 2 is wrong. Yes, 3 and
Okay.
4 means transport water from roots to the other parts of the plant. What is happening? The water carrying tubes transport water from the roots to the other parts of the plant. Other parts of the plant means leaves, then buds, flowers. Is it clear better? It's same. The repetition of number 1 option. Is it clear, Udit? Udit, is it clear better?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what about number 4?
Number 4 means transport food from roots to the other parts of the plant. It's the same repetition of number 2 option. Transport food. How can a water? Yes, how can a water carrying tube transport food? Similarly, transport food from leaves to the other parts of the plant.
ma'am, fourth number is wrong.
No, third is correct. The water carrying tube will transport.
Ma'am, fourth.
Fourth is wrong.
Fourth.
Fourth is wrong because a water carrying tube will not be able to transport the water. How can a water carrying tube transport water? Is it clear better?
Yes, ma'am.
So, number 4 is wrong. Okay. Udit, is the question clear? Number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to number 2. Identify the correct function of the plant part marked by Y. So, this is Y. Y means the seed coat. What does the seed coat helps in? Oh my goodness. Okay, what does the seed coat helps in? It helps to make food for the seedling. This is wrong. Provides food for the baby plant. This is correct. It will provide food for the baby plant. Why is it wrong? It cannot provide food to the baby. Sorry, it cannot make food for the baby plant. How can a seed coat actually make the food for the baby plant? Is it clear, Amoto?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Who make food for sibling?
Who makes food for the seedling? Seedling gets food from these leaves better. The small leaves. Very small leaves are there in the seedling which actually makes food for the seedling. Is it clear? Or there are different green parts in the seedling which actually makes food for the seedling. Then what happens?
Yes.
The seed coat actually provides food for the baby plant. How will it provide food for the baby plant? Because the seed coat protects the baby plant. So obviously it will help the baby plant to have its food. Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shivam.
Ma'am, I have a question. When will the class
5
end?
minutes. Better 5 minutes. What else? It takes in water for the seedling. The seed coat cannot absorb water for the seedling, so this is also wrong. And the seed coat will not help the plant to grow into a new plant. So the third and fourth option are also wrong. Is it clear to everyone? Shivam, Udit, Amoto and Tuhin?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next one. This is an oak sapling. What is the seed of an oak tree called? It is called acorn. The name of the seed of an oak tree is called acorn.
No, ma'am. Tuhin told oak seed. It is incorrect. Acorn is correct.
Yes. Tuhin, have you understood better? The name of the oak seed is acorn.
Tuhin is not there.
Okay. The next one, the flower is the part of the plant which grows into seeds and fruits. So this is the correct one. Number 4 was given by Tuhin. So Tuhin also get 2 marks.
Ma'am, what is the question? Can you give?
Yes, I can obviously explain better. What happens?
The question. You can show the question.
Yes, the flower is the part of the plant. The flower, this flower will grow into which part of the plant? It will grow into seed and fruits. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's see this one. Identify the correct statement for the plant shown in the diagram.
Ma'am, Amartya told.
Yes, I know Amutto told it. And Amutto, your answer is correct, but the other one is also correct. The plant is a flowering plant. See, there are flowers coming out of the plant. So there will be 2 answers. You gave 1 answer. So Amutto gets 3. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay. Now the next one. Which option would be best representation for P and Q in the classification chart? So this is P is correct. So Amoto, this was told by Tuhin.
Tuhin told.
Yes. So Tuhin also gets 1. That is 3. So which are living things? Plants, they grow on land, grows in water, rose plant and water lily plant. And Q, they feeds on decaying matter, feeds on other living things, bracket fungi and eagles. So Q are the animals, flowering plants depend on other for food, move by themselves. The correct answer is 3. That is Q depend on others for their food and plants can make their own food. Is it clear, Udit? Udit, Shivam and Amartya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 7 was told by Amartya. It is again wrong. Plants A and B. A, staghorn fern and moss. The correct option is 4. That is staghorn fern and moss are non-flowering plants. And B, water hyacinth and rose plant both are flowering plants. Is it clear, all of you?
No, ma'am.
See, water hyacinth, the rose plant gives rose. So it is a flowering plant. Water hyacinth also have flowers coming out. That is called hyacinth. The name of the flower is hyacinth. But moss and staghorn fern does not have any flowers. So these are non-flowering plants. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes.
Great. Now let's go to the next one. This is correct. So number 8, Udit, you get 1 marks and number 9 is also correct. So Shivam also gets 1 marks. Udit is correct. And number 9, it's saying in an experiment, a student took 4 similar plants